Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you could leave comments or notes in a Figma file, starting with the first one with the comment feature. So I can hit C on my keyboard, or I can go down to this menu at the bottom and click on comment and add it anywhere I would like to leave that comment. So I'll stick this one right here by the H1 heading, and I can just say something like "this looks great." And once I've left a comment, others can respond, or we can mark a specific task as resolved, and the comment gets removed once it's resolved. Another option you have for leaving a quick comment is if you're working on a file with others and you want to have a quick instant message, you can hit the / key and type in a quick instant message. Once you have finished typing, it will appear on the screen for about 5 seconds and then will disappear. And finally, the last option you have for leaving comments or notes is if you have a component. So I'll go down to my nav bar and I'll create a component. And if you go down to the right-hand panel where it says component configuration, I can add a description. So I can say, and I can close out of this once I've left my comment. And I don't have access to DevLink at the moment, so I can right-click this component and I can copy the CSS code. And if I was to go into CodePen and drop in the CSS, I can see that it added the CSS comment with the /**, and it says exactly what I typed out. I want this to be fixed once the user scrolls. So there you go. 3 different options you have for leaving comments or notes in a Figma file. Thank you for watching. Talk to you next time.